Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change address in Millennium Bank. So the first step that you have to do is to open the Millennium Bank mobile application on your smartphone and then just enter your login credentials. So that is your user ID and password to access your account securely. Next step is to tap on the settings icon, which is the gear icon in the top right corner, and then just look for the personal data or the profile settings section in the menu. Next is to find and tap on the change address or update contact details. So you may need to verify your identity using SMS code or biometric authentication. So once you're there, you just have to fill in the new street ID. So that will be the city, the postal code, and the country. So you have to double check all information for accuracy and then also attach proof of address documents if required, so that can be utility bill or the rental agreement. And lastly is to submit and confirm changes. So review your new address information carefully and then tap on submit or confirm to send your update request. So you will receive a confirmation message once approved, so that usually takes within 1 to 3 business days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!